Hi, G100. This is Rajesh, and I'm reporting from EC2. I just completed my stint with the energy domain team under Shaji. So, speaking of the experience, while pre-sales taught me how to craft a proposal and delivery taught me how to execute and mine opportunities, the domain team gave me an altogether new experience. Be it responding to RFPs or RFIs, or client visits, or consulting assignments, or any AMS project. The domain team brings a flavor of deep industry understanding to what we speak and in the proposals we make. So I spent the initial few days meeting the heads and partners in the various practices within oil and gas, and I was surprised to find a lot of people with industry experience and with that too in niche areas. Um, I wondered what a person with a PhD in seismology is doing in an IT company, but then I realized that we require such people, and clients expect us to have more domain competency than we currently have. So by and large, I played the role of a domain consultant and I involved myself in quite a few assignments. I'd like to mention a couple of things. So first, it is on the collation of the alliances we made and the solutions or services we offer, because until then there has been no consolidated view. It was extremely useful for all the practice leaders, and the service catalog was later used for ENU sales bootcamp, which was conducted in the month of May and June. And apart from this, I also worked on two proposals for a client, which coincidentally happens to be my ex-employer. So one is on end-to-end SCM integration proposal, and the other is on energy trading. So I'm glad my prior work experience in oil and gas downstream was of immense help here. And the last leg of the stint ended with domain training sessions, which I and Sagar conducted for the Shell retail application support team. My key takeaways from this stint are one, I got a good exposure to proactive consultative selling. And this can be as simple as making an outside in analysis of a company, or can be as complex as application portfolio rationalization, or making a proof of concept. And second, uh, as a part of my stint, I've interacted with various practice leaders across ENU, and I think these relationships will be of great use to me for my future roles within Wipro. And third, I've understood the subtle differences in having a conversation between a business leader and an IT leader. Well, that's it, and thank you for listening patiently. See you on Monday.